The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a tornado warning for north central Franklin County in Big Bend of Florida, western Wakulla County in Big Bend of Florida, southeastern Liberty County in Big Bend of Florida, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 2:53 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a tornado-producing storm was located 7 miles north of East Point, moving northeast at 90 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar-confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of north-central Franklin, western Wakulla, and southeastern Liberty counties, including the following locations: Jewel Fire Tower, Owens Bridge, Bethel, Poplar Camp, Buck Siding, Hilliardville, Morgan Place, East Camp, Creels, and Vereen. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties: in Florida, Franklin, Liberty, and Wakulla.